Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this is just my personal experience. In this video, we're taking a look at the website for Morgan Stanley, found at https://www.morganstanley.com. This financial giant offers a wide range of services, from investment banking and wealth management to institutional securities and investment management. Navigating the site, you'll find a wealth of information targeted at various audiences, individuals, institutions, and corporations. The homepage typically features prominent market insights, news updates, and access to key services. For individuals interested in wealth management, there are sections dedicated to financial planning, retirement planning, and investment strategies. Morgan Stanley emphasizes its tailored approach to wealth management, highlighting the expertise of its financial advisors. Institutional investors can explore dedicated resources covering research, trading, and securities services. The site provides detailed information on the firm's capabilities across various asset classes and investment strategies. For corporations, Morgan Stanley offers a comprehensive suite of investment banking services, including mergers and acquisitions, capital markets, and corporate lending. The website outlines the firm's global reach and expertise in advising clients on complex transactions. Overall, the Morgan Stanley website is a valuable resource for anyone interested in learning more about the company's offerings and staying informed about financial markets. The design is professional and the navigation is generally intuitive, although the sheer volume of information can be overwhelming at times. It's worth exploring the different sections and using the search function to find specific information you're looking for. One noteworthy feature is the frequent inclusion of thought leadership articles and market commentaries, providing valuable perspectives on current economic trends and investment opportunities. Whether you're a seasoned investor, a corporate executive, or just starting your financial journey, the Morgan Stanley website offers a wealth of information to explore. Remember to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.